Here I have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, just open the keyboard, a keypad in your phone application and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and the IMEI1, IMEI2 and also the serial number will be displayed. In the second method, just go to the settings, then to the About Phone section, and here you can find IMEI1, IMEI2, and also in model you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.